This is Matt, a new homeowner wanting to complete his first project. What are you doing today?
We are doing a paver patio.
He believes installing his own patio pavers, approximately 9 by 11 feet, will save him $2,000. Did you do any research for this project?
I did, watched a couple videos.
Are there any steps that you're excluding from this project?
Yeah, I'm not doing as many base layers and I'm not doing a border. Just down and dirty, get it done. Functional patio.
Matt had already completed the back-breaking work of removing the grass and topsoil. Matt laid black fabric as a weed block. He had just enough to cover the area. Have you ever done anything like this before?
Nope.
Do you have any experience?
Not really.
The paver sand comes next. Matt knew that all the experts stated you should use a gravel base first. Matt decided to skip this step entirely. He believes his yard already has good drainage and can save time. How much are you spending on supplies for this?
About $375.
The bags of paver sand Matt purchased were just enough to cover the new area with approximately a 1-inch thick base. He had already pre-planned and measured and researched how much materials to buy. I'll tell you, on a DIY project like this, it is always best and a time saver to buy a little more than what you think you will need. This will save you time so you're not driving back and forth to the home improvement stores. They will allow you to return all your unused products. I told Matt screeding the sand off to the pitch or levelness that you want is important. Normally you would put up wood, boards, and screed to that height. He decided just to get it done and keep making progress. Matt borrowed a tamper, so he did not have to purchase one. He did use a 4-foot level to keep track of where the sand was and where the slope and pitch was. Helped him keep on track with the levelness and a small drainage towards the west side of his property, which is the natural slope of his backyard. These pavers are 12 by 12 inches and lay down quickly. This homeowner told me that this is why he picked these pavers. They lay down fast and efficiently, and they were less expensive than the fancier looking pavers. Keep the first course square and in the exact position you desire for the patio. Keep measuring just to make sure. I encouraged him to use a string line for straightness and for the heights of the pavers. Matt preferred to just keep making progress and laying the pavers. He stated this patio will be perfectly fine for the few more years he believes he will own the house. They are just hoping for some entertainment space in addition to the deck. Each paver is tapped into position and the progress continues. At this point, you want as many helpers as possible to help you move around sand and heavy pavers. Save your back and use friends and family for help. I encouraged Matt to use a proper border to hold everything together and give this patio a more finished appearance. There are many options here. You can use bricks and deep pavers as borders. They also make special edging products just built for borders. The special polymeric sand is different than the paver sand underneath. This more expensive interlocking polymeric sand will be swept in between the joints of the pavers, and then you wash it all down with water. It will harden over time and interlock the pavers together and become a weed and ant block. Overall, this first-time homeowner was pleased with the project and promised me he will finish with a proper border and replace the grass sod next to the new patio.